Guys, this is Rizwan Ahmed, mathematics and economics teacher. So our new topic today is highest common factor, that is HCF, and the least common multiple LCM. Regarding the main difference between highest common factor and least common multiple is that the HCF is the highest common factor between two numbers or more. You can call that HCF can also be called the greatest common factor between two numbers, while the LCM is the lowest common multiple which is exactly divisible or divided by these two numbers. The LCM is also called least common divisor between two or more numbers. Regarding the definitions of these, it is difficult for students to understand the difference between HCF and LCM. Now I'm introducing a formula for it, how you would recognize that this is your HCF or this is your LCM. Let's suppose we have two numbers, that is number 1 and number 2. Number 2. So when we talk about what is highest common factor between these two numbers, we have to check, and for this we have a formula. Like for example, number 1 and number 2. Both will be divisible with the HCF. Both number will be exactly divisible with the HCF. Now turn to be the least common multiple. For this, that how we recognize this is your LCM or like this. That means, let's suppose LCM will be divisible by both numbers. Means both numbers separately divide the LCM. Now we are moving towards example. Example and method to calculate HCF and LCM. For this, let's suppose we have two numbers, and that is what? 24 and 72. And we have to calculate HCF and LCM of it. Now, the simplest method to calculate HCF is divisible method, and for this you have to remember these basic things. Just like you have to put 24 and 72 here, same thing with the LCM. This is your HCF method to calculate, and this is your LCM method to calculate. The numbers are same right now. First of all, divide these numbers with the lowest common table or number. Let's suppose both numbers are divisible by 2, so that means 12, then 36. For HCF, it is must that which number you are using to divide, both number must be divided. Both numbers must be divided. Whenever both numbers are not divided, we stop there. Like for example, this is also divisible with the 2. So 2 into 6 and whatever here 1 then 18. Still it's divided by 2. So 2, 3 and it's 9. Now it is both are divisible with the 3. So that means it's 3, 1 and it's 3. Now here we have to stop. Reason is that there is a 1 and 3. So 1 is not divisible with any number or any same number between 1 and 3. So your HCF is this. Like you have to calculate HCF, you have to stop here and now calculate it 2 into 2 into 2 and then into 3. So this will be what? 24. This is your HCF. Now regarding LCM, still same method as we did in HCF, but this time we will divide until the both number will be converted into ones. Like for example, we have to divide with 2. So that means 12, 36, still 2, 6, 18, 2, 3, 9, now 3, 1, 3. So look at this. Here we have 1. So we have also want 1 here. So that means we stop here for HCF, but we continue divided with the 3 here. Then we will got 1, 1 here. So once you got 1, 1 here, okay, that means your LCM will be these numbers. Like for example, 2, 2, 2, 3. So what it is? So it is 24 and 2. 72. So this is your LCM. Now how to check that our method is correct or not? Look at this one. For HCF, the number must be divisible by HCF. Means if we put 24 here and divided by LCM 24, both are divisible. Similarly, if we put 72, then 24, then it will be 3. So both numbers are divisible with the HCF. So our HCF is correct. Now look at this LCM. For LCM, we have a formula as what? Like for example, your LCM is 72. So what is the first number? That is 24. Check it's divisible or not. Like the 72 is divisible with the 24. Same check with the other number. That is what 24 divided by, sorry, 72 72 is your LCM, is divided by 72. So that means it is divisible. So your LCM is correct. Thank